To download YouTube video to PC, the tool you're going to need is any video converter, AVC. To get AVC, just head on to anyvideoconverter.com, click on free download, follow the installation process. Once the installation is complete, this is what you're going to see. This is what the interface looks like. You have other tools here that you can also explore if you want to, but for this video, we're just going to click on video download. Now we're on the video download interface. So as you can see here, it says drag and drop a video here, or click the add URL button and paste URLs. Click here to check all supported sites. So if you want to see all the sites that this platform supports, go ahead and click on this. But to download a YouTube video, we're going to just click on add URL and then go over to YouTube, copy a video link, click on share, copy the link, paste the link to any video converter, click on pass now. The video is ready for download. It says analysis completed, 1 link succeeded. To download the video, click on the download now button at the top right corner of the screen. You'll be prompted to upgrade, but you don't have to do that. Just click on continue, and now the video is downloading. The download is complete. The video has been downloaded to my device. To check the video, I'm just going to open my file explorer, and as you can see, this is the video on my device. I can just play it.
Morning, Cadet.
I'm ready for...
If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.